hey, we got snow. We're getting snow. We will be getting snow still tomorrow afternoon. Oh well, maybe it's the last of the winter. We can hope. Blizzard by Linda Pastan. The snow has forgotten how to stop. It falls, stuttering at the glass, a silk windsock of snow, blowing under the porch light, tangling trees which bend like an old woman snarled in their own knitting. Snow drifts up to the step over the door sill, a pointless blur, the wedding of form and motion, shaping itself to the wish of any object it touches. Chairs become laps of snow. The moon could be breaking apart and falling over the eaves, over the roof. A white bear shaking its paw at the window. Splitting the hive of winter, snow stinging the air, I pull a comforter of snow up to my chin and tumble to sleep as the whole alphabet of silence falls out of the sky. Blizzard by Linda Pastan. Don't hurt yourself shoveling. See you tomorrow.